part of the Nutrition Month celebration 2021, I am making a recipe called Sohions Paratha and Sohions curd. Sohions or Prunus nepalensis is an indigenous fruit of Meghalaya from the family Rosaceae. It is nutrient-dense, contains bioactive compounds, good antioxidant properties, and its fiber content may reduce the risk of certain diseases. The ingredients used in this recipe are whole wheat flour, Prunus nepalensis, oil, coriander leaves, salt, water, and sweet curd. The methods of preparation are: first, wash the fruits and boil it for 5 minutes. Mix whole wheat flour, oil, and salt. Add lukewarm water to start kneading the dough till it becomes soft. Then cover it and leave it for 20 minutes. Now take the boiled fruits and remove the seeds. After 20 minutes, divide the dough into 3 parts and roll it. Then stuff it with fruit pulp and roll again. Heat the tawa and cook the paratha. Add oil on the sides and flip the paratha. When brown spots appear, remove it from the tawa. To make the Sohions curd, mix sweet curd with 1 tablespoon of Sohions pulp. Then serve the Sohions paratha with Sohions curd. This is the nutrient contents of Sohions paratha and Sohions curd. Thank you.